Hi, and welcome back to Your Lifestyle Ambition. Today I got up really early to meet one of the gardeners, Charlene, here at the West End Community Garden, which has been around for 20 plus years. She actually got involved in the 80s, which is really an early adopter about, believe it or not, gardening. And why do we really want to talk about gardening? Well, we all kind of know it's really good for getting exercise and just also breathing and fresh air, but it really helps increase your vitamin D, which helps, obviously with your bone density and just overall health. It can help with mood swings. It's a natural mood swinger to be out and about, and also with other people. There's some continuity with the community and health, mental health, but also too, it's a really great thing just to obviously grow as much as you can. They have amazing soil here that they compost with no preservatives. And the main challenge, as we know, is to get food that's nutritious. And sometimes they're showing that that's a challenge, either organic or non-organic. So get yourself a little garden, get involved in a community garden, or just do something on your deck area. You will find that it's not only a mood changer, it's good for your health, but the food is great, and it adds certainly panache to your life. And certainly if you're growing, herbs, either rosemary or sage, as Charlene's doing here, it really adds to the funness and the panache. So I'm curious about what you guys think about gardening, if you would be doing it. It is a little bit of a discipline, but it gets you up early, and it's definitely worth the time. See you next time.